All right, welcome back, my friends. I got me a new shifter. I also have turbo drain and a regular upper radiator hose just to get something going on, because shit, I gotta get this thing going. Okay, so I got choices now for the stick shift. Basically, here's my adapter for my T5 manual transmission shifter, short throw shift. And then here we have, see, this will go there, this will go here. And I can make it happen just like that. Or I can go ahead and move this out of the way, bring this over, okay, set this up, and the shifter is going to be here. Basically make it look like this. All right, this is better. All right, we're going to make it happen now, because we are going to get rid of that ugly thing right there. All right, here we go. Let's compare it. All right, so now it's different. Here's where we're at. A little slight disadvantage. The ball looks about the same, but the mounting holes are different. I can modify it, I can make it work. All I gotta do is basically transfer this here over to these two holes into here. Drill them out, make it work. Here we go. We got that installed. All right, peoples, here we are. It's installed. I made it happen. So it is a short throw shifter, T5 transmission, okay? Neutral, first gear, second gear, third, fourth, and fifth. But way better than this damn thing. Way better than that crap. I don't care about that. I like that. That looks better. Just got to clean it up. Now you know what's in there. I modified it. Just got to put a gasket underneath. We're good to go. That's done. All right, so here we go. Drain, turbo drain. The little extension there, that little adapter, and it's gonna go right here. See how where the turbo drain is? That's my turbo drain, and that's all there is. So we're gonna put this bad boy in here. Oh, let me get this thing out of the bag. All right. So basically we're just gonna put this in there and then have this here adapter be extended out. Hopefully it doesn't hit this over here, but it's gonna be straight down. Yeah, so it'll bring it over here. So that's a good thing. So here we go. There you go. Cool. That's all for now. Something real quick, short, simple. I just modified my put my drain line for my turbo. Right now it's stupid hot. It's just insanely hot. So I'm just gonna go take a break, wait for the weather to cool down because it's too damn hot. Hasta. Till later, buddy.